What is going on, guys? I'm Sandoval here with another live trading video. Today is Monday, November the 16th, 2020. The time is 9:28 Eastern. We got about 2 minutes before the market opens. In front of you, I have two charts. We have the Nasdaq 100 and the S&P 500. They are both in a 5-minute chart. And we are using a funded account, using one contract, and we're trying to get $500 in profit for the day. So what we can see, guys, from the night session, you can see the market was down here and it's just been going up. It got to this highs, tested it once, twice, 3 times, and then it came down. We tested this support, then that became resistance, and then market just tanked all the way down here, and now it's right here. So we still don't know which way it wants to go, if it wants to continue to go to the upside or if it wants to continue to go to the downside. Same thing with the S&P. Market was down here, it's been coming up, came all the way up, it touched our resistance and it came back down, so it's getting ready to go back and touch the support. You guys see here it's been excuse me, touching it a couple of times and then bouncing off of it. So as always, guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait for the market to open. We've got about 30 seconds. We're gonna wait the first 5 minutes to see what the first candle wants to do and see what direction it wants to take. So right now, like I said, market came down all the way down here, bounced up. It's just retracing, so we still don't know what it wants to do. So the next candle, we're going to see if it continues to go to the downside and breaks our support, or if it just comes down a little bit. So here it is, market just opened, and then if it goes to the upside, breaks the resistance, so then we can take the trade to the upside. So with that said, guys, I'm going to pause the video and I will get you guys back when we're ready to take the trade. Guys, I'm back. So we guys still have about 40 seconds for this candle to close, but we can see that it came down here. So what we can expect for the next candle is to see if it comes down. If it doesn't break these lows, then chances are the market is going to continue to go to the upside before it retraces back down. So I want to say I'm going to take a long position. So here it is. Just gonna wait a little bit to see if in fact it's gonna go to the upside or if it's just gonna come up and then it's gonna continue to go to the downside. Alright, guys, looks like it is going to continue to go to the upside, so we're going to take this trade. See if it breaks this resistance. If it does, then we'll be looking good. But if it just goes to that high right there and then it starts dropping, then we might be looking for the market to go the other way. So if it does that, if it gets us out, then we'll be we're just gonna have to wait and see what it does. If it breaks the resistance, and if it doesn't, then it might go the other way. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is, I know it's kind of early to call it, but I'm gonna go do a break-even trade. I'm still not too sure if it's gonna do it or not, so I don't want to take the risk. So at this point, we are at break-even. So this is gonna be kind of like a free trade, but it's looking good. It's breaking that resistance. I just wanted for it to keep going higher and close above it. Goes. It's looking good, guys. So no needed risk. We're gonna go to our support. What was resistance became support. Might get us out before it hits our 500. Alright guys, we got stopped 230. We're so close to hit our target for the day. I'm gonna wait and see if I see another setup, but more than likely I'm just gonna keep my 230 for the day. You know, you don't never want to risk. If you already make money, just go ahead and just, the best thing you can do is just close your computer. I'm just gonna wait, you know, watch the market in the next 10-15 minutes, but if I don't see anything, I'm just gonna keep my 230. So I'm gonna pause the video in case I do, but if I don't, I'll just come back and close the video. Hi guys, I'm back. So we should have just kept our stop loss at, you know, maybe not a break even, but maybe just put it a little bit higher. But anyways, look at that, guys. It would have hit our target profit. We made out those 500 bucks. It's okay. We're still profitable for the day, so I'm not gonna risk giving that money back, because I've done it before, guys, where I wanna take a second trade where I already made money in the first one, and 9 out of 10 times I give this money back and then I lose more. So with that said, guys, I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna just, you know, tomorrow's another day. Tomorrow we can try it again. But for today, guys, it's gonna be good. It's a good day to start the week. It's a Monday. So with that said, guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like it, go ahead and give it a like. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. If you are new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe, guys. Hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your trades.